Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace your Tesla KeyFob battery. First, you'll need a new CR2032 coin cell battery. These are widely available and quite affordable. You'll also want a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to gently open the fob. Having a clean, well-lit area is crucial to avoid misplacing any tiny components during the process. Let's get started with preparing your workspace. Now, let's open the KeyFob. Look for the small seam running along the side, usually close to where you'd attach a key ring. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into this seam. With a gentle twist or prying motion, the two halves of the fob should begin to separate. Take your time here to avoid damaging the casing or internal components. It should open with minimal effort. With the fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation. Typically, the positive side faces upwards. Use your small tool to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery from its compartment. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. It should fit snugly. Finally, let's reassemble your KeyFob. Carefully align the two halves, making sure all the edges match up perfectly. Gently press them together until you hear a distinct, satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, it's a good idea to test the KeyFob's functionality. Try locking and unlocking your vehicle a few times to ensure everything is working correctly. You've successfully replaced your Tesla KeyFob battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.